today is Tuesday. We're going to do two-step inequalities. Homework is just the front. So if you ever forget what the homework is, just watch the first 10 seconds of this video and you'll see what the homework is. If you're absent, please watch it because I'm teaching you new stuff. Stuff that you'll need in high school, not just 7th grade. And on the quiz on Friday. All right, 11, 18, 25. We're going to do two-step inequalities day 2. So it's just day 2. They do get harder. They do get longer. The number one thing I'm going to teach you, Sebastian, is how to show work. Yes. Yes.
Wait, sit down.
Which one are you closest to? You're right in the middle, huh? It's hard to choose. All right. I feel like everyone should be okay with this type of problem. I feel like everybody should be okay with this type of problem, right?
Nope.
Yeah.
What is... what should I do first? The bars. Now what? Okay, identify where your x is. Here is my x, right? So then you go, okay, what number is further from the x? The 5 or the 10?
5.
Okay, look how the 5 is literally like this. Like I am touching his desk, right? Real close. The 10 is like you. You're far. You're not super far away, but you're far. So which was further, the 5 or the 10? 10. There's a subtraction sign in between, and then there's the 10. That 5 literally touching the desk. Too close. Too close. So I'm going to move the 10. How do I move it?
Addition.
Yep. If this is subtraction, Sebastian, Emily, we're going to add 10. Add 10. What's 45 plus 10? 55. What's left on this side?
5x.
Yep. This means multiplication, so what is your job to do? Divide. Very good. Good job. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Right? What happens to these 5s? Disappear. What am I left with? X greater than. What's 55 divided by 5? 11. And I'm done. Okay? This, I feel like you should be okay. I can give you a quiz on this. You'll be fine. Hopefully. Okay. Now, what some of my students last period had trouble with yesterday was when it looked like this. You guys did not, because I realized they were having difficulties and I taught it differently to you guys. But there was one thing I wanted to go over. Because I see, Andrew, what I, your teacher, did right or wrong with second. I see their mistakes when I go around and check and I'm like, oh, everyone's getting this problem wrong. Why? I didn't explain it well. Does that make sense? And then I come to third period and I explain it better than I did second. So you guys are like, oh yeah, we're good. That's the only reason. Does that make sense?
No.
Sure, you're better. But no, it's because of how I see it. I have to do better third. So I do better third. And then that's it. I'm done teaching. Okay, what's the difference here? The x didn't come first. You see? We switched it, right? So now I'm over here. Now 2x is here and I'm touching it. The 4 is over there. It's on that side. What gets moved first? The 4 or the 2? 4. How? Subtract. Now, my first period, guess what I saw for my first period? They were doing this. They were putting 4. Okay, right? But they were doing this. Would you put your operation in the back? In second grade, when you did addition problems, Did you write addition problems like this? And did you put the plus sign in the back?
No, I put on the side.
Other side, right? Don't we in elementary? We did this, right? So would we put it in the back? No. So I saw some of my first period students write it in the back. I called them out on it. So make sure that you're not doing that on your work. So minus 4, my bars that I forgot. So I want this to be a 0. I'm going to write the 0 so you see it. You don't have to, right? I actually don't want you to. But there's a 0 here now. But it's invisible. It's going to go away. We don't really write it. But that's our goal. Our goal is to make it 0. All right. What's left on this side?
2x.
2x. And that invisible 0. But we don't write it.
We don't like that.
Less than. Sebastian, what do you need? Good. Good. Okay. 16 minus 4. Good. Okay. How do I move the 2? Divide. Humberto, you have this? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Right? This means division, so we're going to divide by 2. X is less than. What is 12 divided by 2?
6.
Done. Okay? You guys are good with those?
Yes.
You had some kids finish like 5 minutes ago, right? All right. Try to do this one all by yourself
Eat that.
while I get some water. Seven plus x divided by 3 greater than 10. What number do you move first?
7.
7. Very good. How do I move the 7?
Multiply. Subtraction. Subtraction. Oh. There it is.
My stomach, or that water's not going down good. It's all.
Yeah, actually.
I want 7 to be a 0. I want 7 to be a 0. Uh, 10 minus 7?
3.
Okay. Now, what do I do? Multiply. Now, Chris, we multiply. And we show multiplication by parentheses. X greater than?
9.
Very good. How many of you got 9 before I did? Yay, half the class. Woo. Okay. The last thing I want to show you. My last page. Because I write huge. Okay. X plus 7 divided by 3 greater than 10. Ooh. Yes, we did do this one yet, so we're refreshing the brain. What's the difference between this one and the one we just did? It's combined. I like that. It's combined. Everything is being divided by 3. Todo dividido por 3. I've been looking at that for months, and I finally got around to doing it. Okay. This means all divided by 3. So what do I move first? The 7 that's on the same line, on top of it, on the same floor, the apartment here, or the neighbor that's on the bottom? The neighbor that's on the bottom gets to leave the apartment building first. So the neighbor at the bottom leaves first. So we're going to multiply by 3 on both sides. What's 10 times 3?
30.
Now what? Now what do I do? No. No. Eso no es positivo y eso no es negativo. Yes? Subtraction. Change addition. Addition to subtraction. Okay? And what do we got? 23. All right, one more for the road. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What do I move first? What number?
4.
Good. How? Twenty times 4? 80. I don't know, maybe the rain has damaged your ability to multiply. All right, x minus 12. So what's the opposite of minus
Addition.
12? Plus 12 plus 12. What is x? What's 80 plus 12? 92. Qué fácil, es muy fácil, es que es muy fácil. So easy. All right, any questions? Okay. So, I have graph paper. Okay, what I would like you to do is to take out the worksheet from yesterday. This one. While you were running home. No, who did I see running home? I saw Axel and Aiden running on down the street on Rate. I think you were behind them? Or in front of them? Something like that? No, I think you were waiting at the light. And maybe they were running towards you?
Yo, Axel.
Yeah, you guys were like running. Yesterday after school. Yes, and I'm like, oh, is his hood gonna come off? Because I wanted to see the haircut, you know?
That was on Fabio.
There was like a couple of you that I recognized and a couple of you that I didn't recognize, but they were like running. And then I think you were at the light,
Yeah, I don't think I
chilling.
It wasn't me at all. Yo, trust, I was
Okay, this is for the people who have the second worksheet. Second worksheet's like a little bit harder. Okay, it's on the other side. Your goal is still to get x by itself. So, here's my x. What are the numbers that are on the same side? The 9 and the 4, right? 9 and 4, got to go. Which number do I move first? The 9 or the 4? The 4. How do I move it? Addition. So, that's why we always do it to both sides. So no matter which way you go, you're going to get it. 5 plus 4? 9 less than. What's left over here? 9x. Now, what does it mean when they're next to each other like this? This, Marley, means multiplication when they're next to each other. What's the opposite of multiplication?
I don't know, man.
Marley does not know. What is it?
Let me think.
Division.
Miss, I knew that.
How do I show division? By using a line.
Miss, but I don't have that paper.
I know, but it's still the same type of math that you're doing right now.
But Miss, it's different. That means it's not the same.
Okay? Alright. Andrew, here are you talking.
So, right?
Over here.
But, you see how X is on the side? So that means.
Huh?
We like X to be in the front.
We did.
This one. Only when the X is second. So Brenda vas a ver el video, vas a hacer el trabajo.
I got thrown up against the wall.
What does it mean? 4X touching the center right now.
Yeah, that's right. When Rolando asked for his gun, he started shooting us.
This means 4 divided.
This means what? When Rolando asked for his gun.
Alright. No. Okay, one more time for those in the back.
I can't hear.
When it's together, like this, touching together, what does it mean?
Multiply.
Multiply. So what is the this together means multiplication. So what are you gonna do?
Divide.
Divide.
Mr. Money, you expected.
Yes, he asked me when I was trying to. No. How'd you get 32?
4 times.
Why'd you times by 4?
Wait, why did
15 plus 9 is 25, right?
why did I
Well, you're not done. The first step is correct.
Oh my gosh,
We're not done.
that's just too hard to
As
reach.
in, this problem is
I'm
not done.
getting
What's the next step you have to do? What does it mean when they're together?
You made so much. No, I'll take it.
Very good. So what's the opposite of multiplication?
But I got 7.
So I'm going to divide. Divide. What am I going to divide by?
For which one? This one?
5. That's the number one.
I'll circle it for you.
That's the number one. So I'm not going to multiply by 4. What am I going to do? Oh God.
For what you have. Do you want multiple? Do you want? My ass.
These people should know yesterday. Today's lesson was faster because you should have learned yesterday. This is something you need for high school.
Nah, and you know what else?
Take the time to
Roll
watch
it up
it.
for this too.
And then you'll realize, oh, it's not that bad.
Yes, I
Honestly, watch the video.
Please, Marley, I need to answer for a number.